Hi, my name is Denise Nazarova.
Hi, my name is Mr. Kamila. I was a participant of UCA summer camp last year. We studied math and English courses.
Also, we have some sports.
In math, I liked the curriculum that allowed us to study the whole program in English right from the start.
The best part was our chocolate questions, you know. We have very cool teacher, his name is Bunyot, and you know, sometimes he just asked us some problems, and he said just like, if you solve it, you will get a chocolate.
Yeah, he called it chocolate question.
Samina is our English teacher. She's just so cute and so talkative, because at first it was very difficult just to get used to living without parents, without, you know, all your friends, without your old teachers, and then you just see teacher who just jump and say, oh, let's hug. It was really so fun. Our second teacher, she was from France, and her name is Florence. She was just like, you know, it was just like yin and yang can just come to you and say, let me help you, and it was really so cool.
I like the way our teachers communicated with us. We were always ready to help, and they always try to make us interested in what they say, and I really like it.
I always was afraid of playing volleyball, you know, but you know, in summer camp it was just like this atmosphere of friendship, so it was just like, oh, you know, I think that I should better sit on the bench later. No, come on, stand up and play with us, and it was really amazing. I think it was the first time when I really started learning how to play all sports.
I also liked that kind of sports when we just dancing with different music like Macarena or Cheshire Slide. It was part of our morning exercises.
Oh, you know,
yeah, it was the best part of the day.
Yeah, it was the best part.
80 people. 80 new friends. But Sinigorius?
Yeah, it was
It was great. It was really beautiful. I would live there if I could.
It was not only fun, it was useful.
I won an Olympiad because of this camp.
I got 95 out of 120 in TOEFL. Enjoy your time and apply summer camp.